because this car is from Seibon, it has a lot of cool carbon fiber parts. What is up, guys? Eric from VSonic. We have a really cool car here today. It's the Toyota Tacoma, built by Seibon themselves. It has these carbon fiber fenders, front and rear. It has a carbon fiber hood. First thing I noticed, it has some raised 57 wheels. It's wrapped in some Falcons wall peaks. This is the TRD Pro model, so it has these TRD upper control arms, CNC machined. They made in the USA. Pretty cool. So, I mean, the lift on this looks pretty sweet. It's just right. It's not too high. It's not too low. It gives you enough clearance to go out and do some off-roading. These are factory TRD Pro headlights. Looks pretty cool. It has a TRD Pro etched inside the headlight. It also has rigid fog lights. I believe this comes from the factory too. Comes equipped like this, you know. TRD Pro is the highest trim you could get on these Tacomas, and it's pretty sweet. And it does have a big premium on it too. We also notice that it has this frame back here for CBI, so it's very modular, right? So depending on whatever you want to carry during your off-road trips and adventures, you definitely can do so. It's just like a clean slate, a whiteboard, and it allows you to do whatever you want. And of course, our VSonic logo. And it has some ARB parts. I believe these are all factory equipped parts too. ARB tow hook on the rear. And it also has this metal bumper. Oh, it's a metal bumper. Factory ARB metal bumper in the rear. Pretty cool. It has these sonar sensors, proximity sensors already built in to these metal bumpers. And of course, you can't forget this huge TRD Pro signage over here. All right, looks like that's it for the outside. Let's go take a look to see what's on the inside. Because it is a TRD Pro, all these buttons, a lot of it on the lower trim, it's usually very empty, but it's pretty full. Like, it has all these auxiliary buttons if you want to add more options to it. It has this light bar button here. This only comes in a TRD. Usually it's just a blank area, and we usually put our shift power throttle response controller button inside here. Has a really cool plaque here, TRD Pro. Look at this. All right, looking inside here, of course, the highest trim, it needs to have the factory equipped JBL system. It has this removable speaker. It becomes a portable speaker. It also has, of course, these A-pillar tweeters. You know, unfortunately, even with all these speakers and the upgraded JBL sound system, a lot of people just are not happy with their sound system. So that's where we come in. We have our Encore Alpha 2 and 3 series plug and play sound upgrade for this Tacoma. Affordable, and at the same time, super easy to install. Everything tucks behind the factory infotainment system. And the most common I hear about our Encore Alpha product is that it makes the factory JBL sound as it should have been from the factory. So we provide that upgrade. And on top of that, on this car, we also installed our shift power throttle response controller. We mounted the button right here. Looks factory, you don't see the wires. And it's pretty cool. If you wanna take a look at how this works, check out our YouTube video. We'll have a separate video on this. You can even lock out your acceleration pedal. It's another layer of anti-theft. Just a press of a button, get a little bit more acceleration, more throttle response when you need it. And one of the coolest features of this car is these seats. Of course, in the front here, TRD, once again, carbon fiber, rest seats, ventilated, heated. But if you look behind it, there's something very special. Check this out. There's actually shocks on the seats. So when you're out there and you're off-roading, you might recognize that your body is just all over the place. It's like, you know, especially if you have a friend that just drives very aggressively, it's just a lot of bumps and shakes. This helps with that. There's actually built-in shocks here that stabilizes the chair along with the movement of the vehicle, so it gives you less body shake, which can make your off-roading adventures much more comfortable. So very, very cool. Alright guys, well that concludes our short video today, just showcasing what Seibon's Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro is about. If you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. I'm a stand up guy, I'm 10 tall. Looking in the mirror, who better than me?